What are the other health effects of abusing cough syrup and codeine? Orally consumed, cough syrup and codeine can start from a simple prescription up to abuse because of its correlated favorable effects. This results in numerous adverse health effects. Majorly, cough syrup and codeine abuse may negatively affect the brain. The practice of abuse can be through consuming higher quantities of these substances or regularly intaking even when symptoms of cough and cold are not present, just to attain desired effects. The effects may range from mild stimulation to alcohol or marijuana, intoxication, physical distortion, and hallucination in high doses. The excessive consumption of cough syrup and codeine, rather than the daily recommended therapeutic dose, may induce an individual to temporarily reach euphoria. It also produces effects of sedation and calmness, since these drugs are actually depressants of the central nervous system. The pleasurable increase may lead to addiction and compulsive use, that is, accorded with detrimental health effects to the organs and may fatally lead to death. The abuse of these particular drugs may also prompt further harmful consequences to the health. This may include numbness, nausea, vomiting, impaired motor function, and increased heart rate and body temperature. Moreover, the high-dose consumption may also result in extreme agitation and excessive body fluid acids. It may also cause liver damage and hypoxic brain damage. Since cough syrups are depressants to the central nervous system, it is more prone to fatal overdose that can decelerate and stop the function of the heart and the lungs, especially when it is mixed with alcohol. Considerably, codeine may result to long-term effects such as excessive drowsiness, dysphoria or confusion, dry mouth, constipation, indigestion, tremor, allergic skin reaction or rashes, urinary tract infection, and depression. Moreover, the high doses may induce someone to experience slow breathing and dropped heart rate and blood pressure. Aside from the physical problems, the social aspects and lifestyle are also adversely affected by these drugs. This adds to the damaging effects. That is why an urgent action and response to stop the addiction should be prompted to save and regain lives.
If you or a loved one are looking for help with substance abuse, call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-615-1067. A caring addiction advisor is awaiting your call.